Weekend marks 2 years since one of the most difficult weeks in Tennessee's recent history. 2 years ago tomorrow, the state confirmed its first COVID-19 case came in the middle of the cleanup from the devastating March 3rd tornadoes. Now, 2 years later, with the virus in decline, doctors and Tennessee leaders are reflecting on what they've learned and the best plan going forward. Kel Smith is looking ahead for us this morning. She joins us live now from Ascension St. Thomas in Midtown.
Hey, good morning, Nikki. Yeah, 2 years ago, we were bracing for whatever COVID-19 was going to be sending our way. And the healthcare workers who became our healthcare heroes were also standing by as well for a remarkable 2 years ahead of them through some of the toughest, if not the toughest times of their careers. And today, some are still uncertain about the future of COVID. So here's the latest data from the state health department. According to their critical indicators report from February 26th, the total number of COVID-19 positive patients hospitalized in Tennessee is 1,274. There were 285 in the ICU and 157 using ventilators. I talked with Dr. Britt Maxwell at Ascension St. Thomas West, and he says he hopes we're seeing the beginning of the end, but COVID-19 has always left a feeling of uncertainty. He says during the pandemic, people have supported healthcare workers in so many ways, and they are grateful. Still, he adds that one of the biggest lessons from the past 2 years is coming to terms with the fact that there's public distrust that affects their efforts to save lives.
We have good therapeutics, but sometimes there's still bad outcomes. We have good vaccines, but not everyone trusts them. We have measures that not everyone wants to follow. And so we've had to fight the virus. We've had to combat public opinion. We've had to combat the fact that our patients at sometimes don't trust us or don't listen to us or sometimes don't even like us. But regardless of that, we're still here. We're still doing the thing that we gave our lives to do, that we trained to do, which is to help people and to get them better, no matter what the circumstances are.
And he says that's what's helped to get him through the past 2 years, is knowing that when he shows up to work, his coworkers are showing up as well, no matter the circumstances. Reporting live in Midtown, Kel Smith, News 2.